could spend all day here, holding hands with you, my dear, hearing you say I love you in my ear. If my wish could come true, I wish I could steal the moon so I could share more daylight here with you. And you kiss me and I am higher than the sky. I don't want to say goodnight. I don't want to leave your side. I'll be missing you while I drive. Can we stay here together? Will you hold me forever? 'Cause I don't want to say goodnight to you. I'm in love, it's surreal. Do you know how I feel? All of my worries seem to disappear. And you look in my eyes, and I ride home on cloud nine. I don't want to say goodnight. I don't want to leave your side. I'll be missing you while I drive. Can we stay here together? Will you hold me forever? 'Cause I don't want to say goodnight to you. I wish I could rewind this day so I could spend it with you again. But alas, the sun is gone and here we are in each other's arms, saying our goodbyes for the third time tonight. I don't want to say goodnight. I don't want to leave your side. I'll be missing you while I drive. Can we stay here together? Will you hold me forever? 'Cause I don't want to say goodnight. Now I don't have to say goodnight. I don't have to leave your side. I don't have to make those late night drives. Oh no, we can stay here together. You can hold me forever. 'Cause I don't have to say goodnight to you. Say goodnight to you.
Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you see in another. I wasn't waiting for the sunshine, a unicorn. I've nothing, have her all in and you don't, but all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I said a little love, no less than a glory. Still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. Then I guess all roads lead to a room, a full front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, down we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love, and everyone is looking like we crazy people just escaping from the world. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet, the way you attract these small disasters like a magnet. And I don't know if you are from outer space, but I can tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race. Because I knew when we hit and crashed, my crazy love circus was here at last. This is romantic in a very funny way. I know our kind of love is the one made to stay, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is a bore. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love, and everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from the loop. The way that you talk, the way that you move, you make fun of me while I make fun of you, but we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love.